Hi, my name is Joe Adamson with Mortgage Magic, and today I'm going to talk to you about something that comes up constantly. Whenever we take a loan application, one of the questions we get is, why do we need all the stuff we need? Well, if you keep in mind, there's three things needed to get a loan. There's income to outgo ratio, there's credit history, and then there's the value of the property versus what's owed against it, or the loan to value ratio. The primary information regarding the income to outgo and the asset situation, that's where the documentation comes in. And the first thing you need is pay stubs. And pay stubs show what your current income is and that you're currently employed. The second thing is tax returns. Now, it's 2 years worth, and they need the W-2s that go along with them if you're a wage earner. If you own a corporation or more than 25%, they'll need corporate returns as well as personal returns, because they have to be able to verify a consistency of income as well. The next thing is bank statements. That shows assets. Typically, you need 3 months reserves, meaning the principal, interest, taxes, and insurance payments on your mortgage left in the bank after a loan closes. So by showing bank statements, that shows both the flow and the asset, and it also shows them if there's another big payment going out, because you need 3 months worth of bank statements. The last thing is other asset statements. If you have 401ks, if you have stocks and bonds, mutual funds, things like that, all that's in your favor because it shows additional assets, which represents reserves and the ability to continue making payments should an emergency arise. There's some additional information if you're refinancing, such as your homeowner's policy, and you have to identify yourself with driver's licenses. But these are the core things, and if you want a process to go smoothly, it's far better to get that stuff up front and have all of it complete. Because once you submit a package to an underwriter and they do that first review, if there's something missing, it's going to go out, take a day to notify us of it, another day or so for you to get it, and then it can take as much as 2 to 3 days for them to get to review it again. So make sure you keep good copies of things like this. When the time comes to apply for a loan, if you have all that handy, it's going to go a lot smoother and you're going to be a lot happier with the result. Thank you.